Yeah, Shannon family matters. 5 figures after, we still down to earth and climbing that same ladder. Living our best lives, here and there we travel. Meanwhile, built this building up from the gravel. Kids growing fast, baby still loves dad. LJ in high school, not balling with class. Shannon the woman of the house, that's all facts. And I'm the alpha male, I oversee all that. I hope you get the picture, this without the filter. It's authentic over here, everything official. Treat the YouTube world like family members, and they return the favor back by keeping it realer. That's that, so welcome to a real show. Uncensored, blood raw, ratchet and cut though. This history in the making, fantastic folk. This Shannon family matters, not the Winslows. What?
Oh yeah, pull up on me.
Pull up on me.
Pull up on me. Pull up on me.
Pull up on me.
Pull up on me.
Why you ain't got no bag? I hope you hop up like that for me when I tell you something. Your sister finna die. Your sister gonna die. I don't know why you don't tell her to go to sleep. She Oh, she about to die. She been up all night.
Good morning, family.
Good morning.
Trying to play hooky this morning from work.
Trying, you did.
Yeah, but then when you wake me up, try to go do something, it defeats the purpose of me staying at home because I'm tired.
I love when you here with me. I'm like, let's do everything.
Right, and I'm like, bro, I stayed home for a reason, bro. Cause I'm tired.
No, do everything with me.
So, bam. She woke the nigga up to go eat motherfucking breakfast. Now, mind you, she just went grocery shopping, like $400 worth of groceries.
And I got pancake mix and sausage.
But wake me up to go to somebody else's table and eat.
Because the kitchen looked too clean. LJ did a good job. I didn't want to mess it up.
And then we try to sneak out. You can't sneak out because for one, MJ done stayed up all night any fuck way. She bust in the room, good morning, look like she just got from the club or some shit. That's how she bust in our room. And then not only that, we got a fucking smart house. In which in this case, we need a dumb house because this whole hill on the system always say, front door open. So bitch, we can't sneak out if we wanted to.
Right.
You feel me? And then on top of that, instead of fucking going cheap and going to goddamn McDonald's like I told Shannon to get a fucking sausage biscuit or some shit. You feel me? She wanna go to goddamn IHOP and shit like she too good.
I am.
To sit with Ronald McDonald. You feel me? Like you sat with that nigga all your life.
But that's a process ass shit.
All of a sudden you get, you feel me, a little, I ain't gonna even say bougie. You act like you disown the man now, like you don't know Ronald McDonald no more.
Because he made me fat. I don't want to talk to him no more.
Shit. I just want to break bread with him because I already know the shit cheap as fuck.
Yeah,
break
and
bread
it's
with him.
processed and got a whole bunch of chemical causing cancer.
Oh, so we care about that now.
Yeah, we do. I want to live forever. I looked at you and cried this morning because I didn't want you to die.
I'm not finna die. I eat well.
I'm just saying.
Look, I look lean. I eat very well.
Of you dying,
I shouldn't have. Dying of old age, okay. You feel me? And I look young, so I'ma still die looking young. And they gonna, you know, I ain't gonna look old age.
Yeah, but you can still look good and still be sick.
Nah, I'm straight, man. I appreciate your thought, though. You feel me? You care. But hell, I still want to break bread with Ronald.
No, I'm not going to Ronald McDonald's. As bad as I want to, though.
Bad as you should. Okay, well.
Well, you gotta tip the hoe.
You always want to tip the hoe. Matter of fact, this is on you.
Me?
Yeah, you woke me up to go. How you go? Then when it did something on the goddamn internet about how when you ask a motherfucker, let's go out, don't look for that motherfucker who you asked to go out to make the motherfucking payment on the fucking tab.
Fine, I don't care.
You asked me to go out. How you gonna tell me to pay?
I will make the payment.
Y'all, do that make sense?
Fine.
You feel me? You can't say, hey, wake me up out my goddamn dreams to go eat because you want to, but then say, I gotta pay for it.
It's fine, I got you.
You hear me out there?
I don't hear shit.
Y'all hear me? God. Boy, you crazy. But yeah, man, that's what it is right now. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and eat this breakfast. I'm gonna talk shit. Y'all already know. We good for that. We gonna talk shit about it, but I'm gonna goddamn side of it. But eat. Cause you woke me up and now I'm hungry. Right. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock it down, you feel me? You feel me? And go to goddamn Target after that. That's why another reason why I hate going places with her. Cause she always adding on to the goddamn itinerary. I ain't never say I was going to the extra shit. Now it's like, oh, we going to the bathroom to brush our teeth. Oh, and by the way, I need this and this and that and woo woo. What the fuck you talking about, bro? I'm sleepy and I only heard breakfast. I ain't hear nothing about no Target and shit after that. I woke up for the breakfast, not for the Target.
So you knew we had to pick up the order. And
yeah,
I was like,
but
oh,
you
by
supposed
the
to pick
way,
that up on your own. And then what you said, oh, I need some shit to hold this and hold that on the counter.
I did. I definitely.
Golly.
So I didn't sign up for all that.
Bruh, it's real.
It's fine. You love me. We're gonna walk in there, get our
yeah,
order.
but not enough to go to Target.
Yeah, you do. Target is the shit. Who doesn't want to go to Target?
Me. Look.
Damn, I was gonna get this.
Yeah, that hoe beat you to it.
Yes, she did. Oh, I got one right in the front. Don't even worry about it.
So you guys, iHeart is full.
I want to go to Denny's.
Hell no, I don't fuck with Denny's no more. Denny's nah, I really don't fuck with them. It ain't cause I'm bougie, it's because the motherfucker did some nasty shit.
You never remember, that was like 4 years ago.
Yeah, it was nasty though, that's all I know. It was nasty.
And it was in Orlando, it wasn't here.
Nah, I don't give a damn. One didn't do it, all of them do it. They together in this. They all get paid together. Once one fuck up, in my head, all of them fucked up.
That's definitely
live by, die by this.
Everything in life.
Alright. My whole life trend goes.
You shouldn't be that way.
If one fuck up, all y'all motherfuckers together, y'all fuck up. I don't give a damn if you wasn't with the person when you fucked up.
You cannot group us together.
I group everybody. You recorded yourself taking a shower.
Oh, I did.
You lost me. Talking about, oh, you seen it done before. Nigga on the porn?
No, on YouTube.
No, you couldn't have seen it on YouTube. That was you porn.
I just recorded.
No, they got a lot of different names for porn now.
I just recorded my feet.
You just recorded your fucking feet.
Yes.
So what was the point of you got there? Because you got a whole body. You don't, when you get in the shower, you don't just wash your fucking feet.
They saw me get ready to go out. So I went out and got ready out. So I took a shower.
Nah, but it don't sound like you're trying to start up an OnlyFans page or shit. Is that what you doing?
Yeah, you'll subscribe?
Would I? I'll be the only fucking subscriber there.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I would. Because that shit'll be blocked from everybody else. Nigga, it wouldn't be public. Should be member only. I be the only fucking member.
I have a lot of members.
No, okay. A lot of black eyes behind that, now. Just letting you know, there's a lot of black eyes come with it.
You want to make an OnlyFans page? Slinging your dunks and like whoosh.
And hear your mouth?
Yeah, I don't think you want to.
I don't. I already know how you get on, buddy.
I don't let go.
Yeah, you don't let go and let God.
I know. Even though sometimes
Keep
I
both
should.
on. Huh?
Even though sometimes I should let go and let God, but I don't.
Yeah.
I am the God in that situation. Let go and let Shannon.
Right. Good one.
Mm-hmm.
Well, both of them is evil, so I mean.
I mean,
Yeah.
I'm not evil.
We gotta find another eating spot. We about to hit it up though. We know where we're going, so.
Yeah, we're going to iHeart.
That world famous pancake. Crepes.
Or you want the breakfast sampler to get 2 pancakes, sausage, ham, bacon, eggs.
Oh yeah, that sounds good too. So either or.
And instead of hash browns, you can probably get grits.
Yeah. Or fries. Don't they got the fries? Sounds good to me.
So we just finished breakfast at lunch. So basically this was brunch. And I have like 3 papers to write that's due today because this one class ends June 22nd. So yeah, I need to get on that. So we're about to go to Target to pick up my shit. This is about the thunderstorm and our car's gonna be outside.
105.
Hot.
Remember that shit?
The quiet storm. On hot. Well, the quiet storm used to be the shit, y'all. I love listening to a Hot 105 at night.
Them young motherfuckers wouldn't know about that
Nope,
shit.
you just you turn your radio on in the room on Hot 105 and go to sleep, nigga.
Smooth as fuck.
Yep. Damn, I miss some days. Right. Wow.
That's what they on now, man. Hey,
Can't even
I don't
do.
really know. Where we at?
U-turn.
U-turn, right? Okay, I know where we at now. By the bridge. By the exit. Alright, so I'm gonna take the long way.
Yeah.
Look at your car. See? When you park in the motherfucking trees, when you got it washed for it to get shitted on. Shit on your car.
I need to lose weight. Cause it's all in my face. I can see it, right?
When I look back at our old vlogs yesterday, yeah, I can see
You can see it, yeah. I do too. So every once in a while I go back at our old vlog and I'm like, damn, I can see it in my face.
Yeah,
like,
you can see that too.
my face bloated.
Bro, you got a stop sign.
Right.
I ain't know. I got this shit.
You know you're supposed to turn right there, but okay.
Yeah, I'm finna cut somebody off.
But yeah, I could tell. And it's a lot. You know where it's from too? Because remember we were in Lauderdale. And all we ate was fast food. We for like 6 months, right?
Right.
We ate straight fast food. So 6 months of fast food and processed food and sugar. Oh my God, it took a toll.
How you turn your automatic windshield wiper on?
Turn it to the 3 lines. See, that's why I leave it on.
Where? Right up?
Yeah. I'll watch.
Oh, I'm gonna get you a key battery too then.
Thank you. And then it stops on its own, like it knows the pressure of the rain, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I look back and I'm like, holy shit, Shannon. Your face is chubby. But don't worry.
Okay, it's fine.
I'm gonna get back on my shit.
Pushing for the kissing.
Nigga, I could barely see my dimples. Oh, I can't look.
You can see them better now.
I know.
They are deeper.
Oh shit.
Before they was like surface level.
Vosh used to kiss my dimples. See, Vosh knew me back then. When I get mad, I used to cross my arms. Like when I'm annoyed, sitting in the car, he used to be like, uncross your arms, what's wrong with you? You already know something wrong with you. Like he was very intuitive. And when he used to be like, come here, let me kiss some dimples. Oh, that used to get me. And he used to kiss my dimples, y'all. He don't do that no more.
Bruh, stop scrolling down mirroring.
Yeah,
man.
those are the things he used to do.
I still do too, to this day.
And then I remember our first date.
don't do it all
You know
the
what he
time,
said to me? He
man.
probably said this to how many other girls? He said, you gonna have my baby girl? I'm like, yes, I am.
I said that other girls, how many other girls I said it to, right? That's what you said?
I said, I don't know. How
girls-
many other girls?
But how many do I have a girl from?
Me, but that's
Okay
just
then,
you.
so I couldn't have said it to those other girls because I would have had them with them, right? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Alright.
Anyways, can I sign up for Pilates? I need Pilates in my life. But it's like $170 a month.
Fuck no.
Fuck no, it's right, because I don't even want to pay
You
that.
gotta go goddamn buy a gym to go in that goddamn garage like we playing.
I know, I said that too. I need a pedicure. My toes look like
gosh.
I need a lot, don't it?
There you go. I just realized that.
We just did the same thing. She's a runner, she's a track
I know
star.
you, we in sync. See how that just happened?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm in sync with you. I'm one with you.
Are you?
Yes.
I need to find a side hustle that I need to make like $2 grand a month.
No side hustle. Nigga, that's goddamn
Full-time job. Yeah, I need to do that. Actually, I need to make I need to make 10 grand. Possibly 13.
You a scammer?
I need to be.
That's what it sounds like you want to be.
Somebody hook me up with the PPP loan.
Or just give us the goddamn address to the OPP.
You little baby in Little Dirt now?
Yeah, that's what you need. That's
we ain't get nothing to drink to go. Why didn't we do that?
So it says you're here now, just show code 0814. Perfect. Alrighty.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You have a good one.
You do the same.
I really wanted that glass.
Yeah, come on.
Ooh, we're going to Dairy Queen, guys.
You look like a trap house.
I know.
Fuck.
What you want, baby?
I don't want shit.
Lies.
I really don't. Just went grocery shopping. I'm straight.
Why you be lying all the time? Why you be making me be the only one that
I can
eat?
get it if I want it. And I don't want it.
You can't get it if you want it because you can't get it.
Yeah, you just trying to use reverse psychology so I can get it.
You ain't gonna get it because you can't get it.
Okay. I ain't dumb.
I ain't smart either.
Obviously.
I mean, I am smart.
You know what you're getting, right?
Yes. So my favorite thing to order from here used to be a chili cheese dog, and then I get ice cream, vanilla cone with sprinkles. It's my favorite thing to get from here. I used to do the blizzards, but I'm not really. I don't ever eat it all. Yeah, I never eat it all, so I stopped getting them. Oh, look, they got a drumstick blizzard. You saw that? You know the drumsticks you used to eat, the ice cream with the chocolate and the cone at the bottom. Oh, they got it in a blizzard now. That looks good as fuck. And I got a
But I know that
blizzard.
fucking cone gets soggy as fuck.
Yeah, their cones get soggy. I never eat their cones. Chick-fil-A cones, nigga, I'm eating the whole thing.
What you mean?
Can I have a small vanilla cone? With sprinkles, please?
The rainbow cone?
Yes.
Is that everything?
Yep.
331.
Now I just told y'all I need to lose weight.
I was thinking the same shit.
And bought it. It pulled up in the Dairy Queen. He should have been it shouldn't have been, he enables me. He shouldn't have been like, okay.
I said no.
Yeah, but then you should have kept going. You're the driver.
Nah.
You let me, you pull right up in this bitch for me.
Yeah, cause you said pull up.
Can I give you a couple napkins with your tongue? Have a great day.
You do the same.
Thank you.
Look at this shit. Get this out of here.
This is like heaven
like,
for me, guys.
Yeah, you definitely gonna be in heaven. Right with it. Still licking on that bitch.
This way too much ice cream.
I just opening right now, you feel me? When your time comes, you gonna still be out there eating that bitch. Like he told me. That's what you understand. He told me.
They put way too much ice cream on this.
You want it like that though, right? That shit was $3. You want all that. Shit. What's your money worth, right?
Yeah, but I want to like Chick-fil-A.
Put your ass on the corner, keep looking at ice cream like that.
But I just love when I eat ice cream for some reason. If y'all notice every vlog, if I'm eating ice cream, it keeps staring at me.
Sounds like how you licking that bitch. Like, you don't do me like that.
Lies.
Hey, you stupid. Damn, it's about to storm. This shit, boy. It look like it's nighttime, boy.
I know.
2 o'clock. Glad I didn't go to work. I don't feel like driving in this shit.
You would have been.
Yeah,
It's bad.
already down at our house, yeah. Like driving in nothing like this, bro. Hey, turn that camera off.
Stupid. Yeah. At a house.
Bro, it's raining so hard as y'all can see, bro. Thunder and lightning. We can't even get out the fucking car.
Nope. I ain't running out there.
Oh,
Yeah, go ahead. Get your ass
Hey, get some ducking for that lightning, bitch. It's crazy out here, man.
There's out here in this street.
It's raining so hard. Couldn't even see where I was driving, bitch.
What is scary self?
I couldn't see shit. Cause y'all couldn't see shit either, could you?
Bruh.
Nah, if I'd have let you drive, bro, oh shit.
Y'all would have died.
You would have lapped up. I'd have sat in your lap and started driving. I know you can't see or drive. And this type of shit, you can't even drive on the cliff, baby. Out here. Fuck that. Shannon scared to get out the car.
Hey, I'm not getting out no car. Are you crazy?
You wanna get your hair wet?
No, I don't want to get my hair wet. Actually, to be honest with you, God damn.
God. Oh Lord. I'm finna get out because it don't look like it's getting no better.
Why would you get out in this?
You just
wait.
scared. You just scared if I get out, you gonna be stuck, so you scared, huh? I'm finna get out on your ass.
If you get out on me, I swear to God, I will never talk to you again.
Why? We're right in front of the house. You can get out too.
Do it and see what happens.
Alright. Come on, because it don't slow down. Let's get out.
No, it didn't slow down. You crazy? You see that rain?
Come on, it's only agua.
Oh, no, you Spanish.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Where are we going?
In the house.
Why?
Because it's like really pouring.
I think it would be good if we just stay right here.
And we ain't got no tents on this bitch, so all that lightning coming right through the fucking windows. I think I'm gonna get
No,
hit.
it's not. I swear it's not coming out.
Come on, Shannon.
You said bullshit?
Say, come on. Alright, we'll see y'all on the inside. Hey, I'm really not on Shannon. Good for that boy. Shannon, get out. She's scared. Shannon's lightning, man. Go, boo. Go, boo. Go, boo. Go, boo. Go, boo.
That was so ghetto. I don't like you.
I told
Why
y'all.
you here with your wet ass shoes?
So we gonna mop the floor?
No,
with your nice ass mop. Hey, LJ. She was scared because it was raining so fucking hard, bro.
It's like a hurricane. Oh my God, this is our first time in thunderstorm in our house.
Really? Baby sleep?
We don't get them already.
She's sleep, huh? Yeah, she's bedtime.
I went in there. I feel like yeah. She just said, yeah, everything. I said, you know, what she said, yeah.
She done been up so long, bro. Time to run it.
If you don't take your ass to sleep, your body is going to be, what's the call? Sleep deprivation.
Right. This nigga.
Jack Russell's eating, they have a ball of energy, he has to get it out.
What the fuck wrong with him, man?
He has to get it out. He only eat when we here if you notice that.
Look.
He's about to food in his
What
mouth.
the hell with this nigga, man?
He's trying to get his energy out.
This nigga on crack.
Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Where you going? Go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
The fuck? This nigga retarded.
He eat because we're here.
Why he doesn't talk?
Go get him. Go get him. Go get it. Go get your toy. Where's your toy? Miles. Give me your toy. Go get your toy. Get your toy. Give me your toy. You're getting hungry. Get your toy. Give me your toy. Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, on that note.
Yeah.
Why you got these lights that you
Hey,
want to take
yeah, my mama always told. Stop! What is you doing? Y'all so keep turning on up the light. Make the light get hot. Yeah, my mama always told me to sit my ass down. I'm about to tell my family I'm gonna sit my ass down because mama say don't do nothing when he's lighting and God doing his work. You hear me? And he's doing that right now apparently. So I'm gonna have to let y'all go until he's done. When he's done doing his work, I'm gonna holler back at y'all.
So guys, that was me packing my lunch and showing y'all dinner. As always, we appreciate you guys for appreciating us. See you on the next vlog. Peace.